When demand grows, production had to grow with it. But growth should never change the standard. That's where a structured system makes the difference. From brokers to finished shipment, every step is connected in a fully integrated process. Built for continuous flow. Designed to move efficiently. Without compromising control. Beyond production, logistics stay in motion. From storage to dispatch, the flow continues. Whether it is a small batch or a full continuous shipment, the process remains the same. No adjustment in standards, no shortcuts.
Coordinate workflows allow for reliable delivery, trusted by partners across global markets.
Consistency at scale doesn't happen by chance. It's built into the system.